Hello, my name is Joseane and today I will talk about all-day slimming tea. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. The all-day slimming tea and tea in powerful and proven that can help you lose weight. It is a safe and natural formula that accelerates metabolism, burns fat and reduces hunger. All-day slimming tea is a 100% natural tea that can help you lose weight without chemicals or dangerous ingredients. It is based on the traditional tea recipe that made the peninsula of Nicoya, Costa Rica, one of the healthiest places in the world, with a life expectancy of almost 90 years. All-day slimming tea is made with a blend of herbs and spices that help accelerate metabolism, decrease appetite, and increase the feeling of satiety. It also contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage and disease. But before proceeding, it is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of All-Day Slimming Tea where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is it? All-Day Slimming Tea is a dietary supplement designed to help people with weight loss difficulties. It plays a vital role in many metabolic and detoxification processes, being essential for maintaining the health and balance of the organism as a whole. All-Day Slimming Tea offers a robust combination of nutrients that strengthen the immune system, keeping it strong and energized. All-Day Slimming Tea accelerates metabolism and helps in burning fats accumulated within your body. Remember that it is not transgenic. All-Day Slimming Tea is easy to prepare and can be taken hot or cold. It's a great way to start the day with energy, or to relax in the evening. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, All-Day Slimming Tea is the right choice for you. Benefits. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, All-Day Slimming Tea is the right choice for you. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Here are some additional benefits of All-Day Slimming Tea. Helps reduce cholesterol. Helps control blood pressure. Improves digestive health. Improves skin health. Increases energy levels. Improves the mood. Prepare the tea with hot water and let it infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink hot or cold tea before or after meals. You can drink up to 3 cups of tea per day. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding or taking medications, consult your doctor before taking the tea. All-Day Slimming Tea is a natural and safe product that can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Warranty. The All-Day Slimming Tea offers 100% guarantee to its customers of 60 days for product return, full or empty bottles. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions as to why. Formula. The formula consists of a wonderful blend of supernatural ingredients of high quality clinically proven, which are green tea, oolong tea, orange peel, lemon balm, ginger, dandelion leaf, ginseng root, Garcinia cambogia, monk fruit, natural mint and lemon flavor. Conclusion. If you want to know more about All-Day Slimming Tea and want to check closely the information, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write your review about All-Day Slimming Tea and if you have ever used All-Day Slimming Tea. If you like the All-Day Slimming Tea, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire the All-Day Slimming Tea. All-Day Slimming Tea is a natural and safe product that can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Kisses and even the next video.